Hi guys, I'm back with another video today, and this is a hair review. And if you don't want to watch how I install, please skip until 11 minutes and then you can just hear about the hair itself. So this hair was sent to me by Alibele Hair Official. It's an Aliexpress store, and it came with 2 wig caps, and this is the box that it came in. I opened it up with you guys. I hadn't opened it. Yay! This is the natural state of the hair. This is how the hair came, and it is 100% human hair, 18-inch kinky straight wig. It had 4 combs, and the color of the hair was sort of like a natural color. It was a bit brownish and not too black. So I just wanted to show you guys how the lace looks before I bleach it. You can wear it just like this, but you know me, I'm extra. And then I used a 30 developer and Novel bleach. I mixed it together and I just flipped the wig so that I can bleach only the knots and the lace. And that's how I mixed it. I didn't want this video to be too long, so that's why I didn't show you guys how I mixed the bleach. And yeah, that's how I'm going to apply it. I'm not going to force it into the hair. If you force it, sometimes you might over bleach it. And then I didn't know how the lace would react, so I just applied a bit and I left it on for about 11 minutes in total. That's when I washed it off, and I'm using a 30 developer, so you don't want to risk that. And this is how the knots looked. It didn't bleach out completely. Most of them were not that bleached. And I went ahead and used this L'Oreal Paris color number 1. It was a natural black sort of. And then yeah, I didn't show this process because it got messy. And this is how the wig is looking now that I have colored it into a natural black. You are going to need a spray water bottle and a thin comb so that you can be able to plug out some hair. This is how the wig looks before I plug it. My natural hairline is not too perfect, just like this wig. That's why I'm plugging out a bit of strands. I won't plug too much, but I'll just remove bits and pieces of how my natural hairline state is. Like I said, I didn't do too much. That's why this is the amount of hair that I removed only. So just to check if I am still on the right track, I'm going to use a hot comb, and I just want to see how the natural hairline is, and I felt like it was fine. I went ahead and sprayed some argan oil just to prepare it for the straightener that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to bump it up. I'm not going to like straighten it bone straight. I just wanted it to be straight since I let it air dry in my wooded dryer, and it was a sort of curly. There it goes. And this is, I love this black, guys. It complements my skin tone so much, other than the natural brown. So yay, now let's install the wig. I do have a video of how I install wigs, both glueless and got to be glue, so I will leave the link. I will just leave the links to my videos below so that you can watch like a detailed video of how I install. I'll let you guys just listen to music a bit because there's not much to explain. I just wanted to install this wig with you guys. So I filmed this very early in the morning and I was hungry. So I'm having a smoothie. I usually have a smoothie in the morning. So guys, people asked me from my previous video how I know where to put the glue. Here is another trick that you can use. You can literally take a pencil and then just mark out on your scalp where you want it to stop on both sides of the wig. Make sure that you do it in the middle on the both sides, and then when you put glue, you'll know where to stop or where you want to start putting glue. You can just use either, but for me, I'm going to put where I want the glue to stop. That's how you do it. Guys, I forgot to mention the got2b glued products are available at Discam. I haven't bought, but I saw them. I went to Rosebank, I think Centon as well. A lot of stores have them. Just search online and then you will find them. I just forgot to update that. And yeah, I'm just going to put a bit of powder onto the lace just so it matches my skin better. I'm not sure if I mentioned in my previous videos, but I imported those things and I'm still looking for something similar in our country. So I'll update that once I know. And I'm still hungry, guys. I'm still eating. So yeah, this thing really helps. It moisturizes the scalp, the lace into the scalp. It's like, oh, I don't know how to explain it, but I'll explain it once I find something similar. You can alternatively use a doek. It works as well. So guys, here's another trick that I haven't showed on my channel. It's something that I do if I feel like after cutting the lace I have some space. What you do is you pull back the hair. Once you lift up the lace, you just go underneath with the glue. It's very good because it's not that messy. It makes the installation very, very flawless. So I do it everywhere where I feel like it's lifting a bit. You just pull back the hair, then the lace will lift, and then you just put in that gel. So I know I'm going to get a question. Sis, aren't you putting a lot of mousse? Okay, let me make this clear again. The mousse that I use, the ORS Repset mousse, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't build up on the hair. Maybe after using it 50 times, that's when you can feel that your hair has a lot of product. But with me, I've never had problems with this, with putting too much. I used to wash my hair a lot when I used other mousse, other types of mousse and other brands, but this one I can wear it so many times without washing my hair and it still feels very light. So I'm going to do my makeup and then I will be back in 5. So the moment that everybody has been waiting for is the review. You know what, I'm actually thinking of changing the lens so that you guys can see the length of the hair. So just give me a second. I'm gonna swap the lenses and then you guys can see me all the way down. So guys, I know that everyone has been waiting for the juicy details of the wig, and yeah, I'm here to give you everything. So this hair is Alibele official store on Aliexpress, and this is how the wig came. It also came with like an instruction thingy. It also shows here that it is an 18-inch. It also comes with 2 free stocking caps that I did not use. I will use later on. But let's talk about the important things about this hair. This hair is 100% human hair, and I did prove it because I washed it. I colored it into a natural black color. It came in a natural color, so I colored it black. I also went ahead and bleached the knots like you saw in my video, just to make it look more natural, but you can wear it in the state that it comes in. So the nitty-gritties of this wig again is the shipping. For all those who are in South Africa, they know that we have a customs guy who is waiting to make us pay the money. So this wig is an 18-inch, like I said, and it's from Alibele hair. So the shipping that was used for me was RMX, and it was shipped on the 24th of September 2019. I received it on the 7th of October 2019, and that's in total like 14 days, which is not bad if you're not gonna pay for customs, and if AliExpress says it's free shipping. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to order this hair, I will leave the link to their store on AliExpress. I will leave it just down. Just click, there's a triangle facing down, just click on that, and then you will see the link to the store. And this hair, guys, I have no complaints. It's flawless, it's not heavy. In South Africa right now it's very humid, but I don't feel like I'm wearing like an afro wig. It's very light, trust me, it's very light, and it's flawless. It's easy to maintain as well because you don't always have to straighten this hair. This is how the hair is in its natural state. The hair looks like this, but I'm going to do another video and show you guys how you can style this, how you can straighten it, how you can curl it, because it allows all that. Yes, it allows you to do all that. So yeah, I have no complaints actually. I have no complaints. What other thing did I forget? I don't think I forgot anything. So for everything, I can rate this hair a 9 out of 10. A 1, I'm lying. What's the 1? Why am I not giving them the 1? Why am I not giving them the 1? Okay, for me, I can say it's a 10 out of 10. My battery is about to die, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. If I remember anything else that I want you guys to know, I will leave it down below. Just read if you have to. But all in all, I recommend this hair. It's very flawless and it's easy to maintain, and you can wear it easily. And if you want to see other videos, please go to my channel and check out whatever you want to see. It might actually be of help to you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.